आप देख रहे हैं रहबर न्यूज़ यूट्यूब पर। मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूँ BH हॉस्पिटल के रिसोर्स सेंटर में, जहाँ पर पोलियो के हवाले से सेमिनार का इनेकाद किया गया है और सेमिनार में डिप्टी कमिश्नर रिहाड़ी मुबीन इलाही ने खिताब भी किया है।
Polio is one of the things that we have been grappling for a good part of 3 decades now. So it has been a very long journey. Please.
To all the staff which has been working day in day out in this national cause. But taking the opportunity of this date, that is the World Polio Day, I think this is a time that we need to have some kind of a self-introspection as well. We have been dealing with this issue for a good part of 3 decades, as I've already said. But there must be some reasons as to why we have not been able to address this issue systematically and systemically from our grassroots levels. I think Pakistan remains one of the 2 countries in 200 odd countries which still has an incidence of polio. If I'm not mistaken, Afghanistan and Pakistan only remains the 2 countries which are grappling in this context. So this is kind of a point which requires a self-introspection as well. The kind of services, the kind of efforts that we have been doing, I think results have been good, but the quantum of problem has been so large and big that it requires some extra measures. So these NIDs and SNIDs are some of the tools through which we are trying to grapple this issue. I must appreciate the work and the collaboration of international health organizations, implementation partners with the likes of WHO and the UNICEF, which has been providing us technical facilities in this context, as well as some monitoring and support. So I think the way forward in this context is constant monitoring and evaluation of our operations. Every service that we provide, every vaccination, every household that we cover, I think it is only through high value of professional standards which can ensure that we are going to end this problem from our grassroots levels. The quantum of problem, as I've already said, is very big. It requires some extra efforts on your part. So before entering into next NIDs and SNIDs, I will request all the health staff which has been engaged in this campaign, which has already been preoccupied by many other campaigns such as dengue and the COVID vaccination. Amidst all these campaigns, I think the performance of our team has been satisfactory, though the last campaign that we had some kind of non-report missed children reported, so this requires some extra attention as well. But taking opportunity of this day, I must highlight the importance of eradicating the polio from our country, because we have been facing this problem. The family which faces this incidence, this polio virus, you can see the kind of agony and the kind of problems that they face in their everyday life. And internationally also it brings us that kind of a stigma and that kind of a labelization which we think we won't want for our kids to have in times to come. So once again, I thank the whole administration of the district health authority, and on the same hand, I just want to emphasize this point that you need to work extra hard on this national cause, and we will support all necessary things that we have. Thank you very much. I'll beg leave. We have some commitments today, so please continue. Thank you.
अपने मेजबान अब्दुल्ला मानक को इजाज़त दीजिएगा और देखते रहिएगा रहबर न्यूज़ यूट्यूब लाइव।